Welcome to your first step towards financial freedom through passive income. Like many people, I used to struggle with my finances. I was just scraping by, barely making ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck. I was just stuck and didn't have the mindset to change until one day it became a necessity. Within the same week, my car broke down, my landlord raised my rent, and I got fired from my job. I scrambled and I got some waiting jobs and moved into a cramped apartment. But that was when I really recognized I had to get my finances together and to make passive income. So I engaged in dozens of strategies, anything from trading penny stocks to crypto, blogging, podcasts, e-commerce, affiliate niches, but nothing I tried worked. And I was about to throw in the towel. I moved back in with my parents till everything changed when I met a Buddhist monk. It was June 21st, 1991. On a whim, I attended a free meditation seminar at the Fairmont Hotel in San Francisco. There, this aged monk said, Buddha taught that spiritual liberation requires financial freedom. He said, in the East, this was done by giving up all of your money and becoming a monk. But in the West, it should be achieved by making so much money that you are free of any worry and complication. He said that he had seen many people struggle with this. So, during this pivotal seminar, he outlined a simple but ingenious way to create multiple passive income streams to achieve financial freedom. That day, I became the monk student and quickly started to implement this simple way to create wealth. Within 10 days, I had created my first passive revenue stream and making $3,000 a week. And from there, 6 months later, I was making over $100,000 a year. And then I was growing from there to what I have for you today. And this is my guaranteed method for creating passive revenue streams in just a few hours. And this is achieving this without a big investment, without risky investing schemes or volatile crypto. I am sharing a simple, guaranteed method for creating turnkey passive income. And I'm bringing this to you because I want you to have financial freedom. My name is Ajahn Samvara, and I'm a Buddhist teacher. And don't worry, you didn't accidentally click the wrong video. I ran a multi-million-dollar company for 24 years, showing thousands of people how to make passive income streams by doing what I'm going to share with you today. So now I'll share with you a great way to make money for the subject that you clicked here for. This is all from my book that gives you a step-by-step action plan for success. So subscribe now and click on my course link in the description, and I will give you a free copy of my book, and I will also send you the free training information. So this is free training where it actually sets up, it's a workshop where I actually walk through with you and set up your passive income stream that you will have at the end of the course. And you have to stay around till the end of this video, because at the end of this video is where I will share with you this mind-blowing guaranteed way to create passive revenue streams. Enjoy the course.
Solution 1. Let's get straight to the point. Passive income is a powerful tool to improve your financial health, provide you with more freedom, and boost your overall quality of life. In this video, we're going to explore 3 actionable steps that you can take to start generating passive income. These steps are creating an online store, utilizing skills for online tutoring or consulting, and investing wisely. Let's dive right into the first action, creating an online store. This is an excellent way to generate income without having to trade your time for money. Here's how you can make it happen. The first step is to determine what kind of products you intend to sell. These can either be physical products, digital products, or even services. You can leverage your skills or hobbies to create unique items or services to offer. Now that you've figured out what you're going to sell, the next step is to find a platform. Some of the popular platforms you can use are Shopify, Etsy, or even Google. These platforms provide you with the tools necessary to create an online shop without any coding skills. Set up your store, and carefully craft your product descriptions to make them sound as appealing as possible. Next, price your products appropriately. You should aim to cover your costs, make a profit, and still keep your prices competitive. Therefore, do some market research to figure out the average price range for the products you're selling. Lastly, promote your online store. The key to generating income through an online store is getting your products in front of potential customers. Leverage social media platforms, email newsletters, and even consider setting up a Google AdWords campaign. Remember, the more visibility your store has, the more potential for sales. Creating an online store may seem daunting at first, but with the right steps and commitment, it can indeed serve as an advantageous passive income stream. Your store can be running 24/7, making sales even while you're asleep. So, why not start today? Generate passive income and take the next step towards achieving financial freedom. Solution 2. Perfect. Now that you're all set with your online store, let's move on to the second action, utilizing your skills for online tutoring or consulting. This method of generating passive income is especially beneficial if you have certain expertise or passion in a field. To start with, it's critical to identify what your skills are. You might be a savvy business professional, a talented musician, or even a yoga enthusiast. Who knows? Your skills could be unique to you. Once you have identified your areas of expertise, it's time to put these to work. Online platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare allow you to create and upload your courses. And do you know the best part? You create and upload the course once, but it continues to generate income as long as people sign up for it. Next, outline your course content meticulously. Ensure it's clear, concise, and creates a lot of value for the students. Remember, people should get the feeling of, "This was worth my time and money," after taking your course. Once you have developed the courses, the next step is to price them accurately. Consider factors like the complexity of the course content, the average market price, and the level of expertise required to understand your courses. But, how can people know about this great course you've developed? Promotion, that's essential. Share the course information on your social media accounts, ask friends and family to share it, use email marketing, and even consider paid advertising. The more eyes you get on the courses, the higher your chances of making sales. Additionally, you don't solely have to rely on these platforms to conduct online classes. You could also host webinars or live sessions on your own website or through platforms like Google Meet and Zoom. The beauty of online tutoring or consulting is that you are leveraging work you have already done to generate income. Thus, it certainly lives up to the promise of a passive income stream. Solution 3. Excellent. Now that we have talked about the first two solutions for generating passive income, let's delve into the third action, investing wisely. One of the principal keys to financial independence is effectively putting your money to work for you. And one of the most prominent ways to do this is through intelligent investing. Let's consider the concept of investing in stocks. Imagine purchasing a share in a company as buying a piece of the company. If the company sees success, you also profit from its success. To start investing in the stock market, you'll want to open an online brokerage account. Platforms such as eToro, Robinhood, or Fidelity are popular choices offering a wide range of investing opportunities. Start by investing in what you know and have an understanding of the risks involved. Another form of investment to consider is real estate. Owning rental properties can be a great source of passive income. Reliable tenants provide a steady monthly income while the property itself often appreciates in value over time. Various websites and real estate platforms can facilitate finding such investment properties. However, investing doesn't always have to be as conventional as stocks or real estate. For instance, consider innovative opportunities like peer-to-peer lending platforms. Websites such as Lending Club allow you to lend money to others in return for interest, almost like playing the bank. Another form of unconventional investing can be in the form of a silent business partnership. With some capital at hand, you can invest in someone else's business, earn a share of the company's profit, and yet you don't necessarily need to be involved in the business's day-to-day operations. Remember, all investing involves risks. It's essential to do your due diligence and research thoroughly before starting with any investment. It might seem intimidating at first, but once you understand the fundamentals and commit to long-term, mindful investing, the results can be immensely rewarding. The power of investing wisely is that your money is working for you, and that is the essence of passive income. Reminder to subscribe. Find the class link in the description below. Conclusion. Alright folks, we've shared invaluable insights on generating passive income through creating an online store, utilizing your skills with online tutoring or consulting, and investing wisely. Before we conclude, I have a couple of things for you. If you're keen on learning more and taking decisive action towards achieving financial independence, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. We share practical, actionable strategies that cater to your unique circumstances and help you make strides towards your financial goals. Each week, I unpack different methods to earn passive income, and I'd love for you to join this community and spark a fruitful conversation with like-minded people. Moreover, I invite you to take a more profound leap and take my free online courses. There, I show you how you can use my templates and automation to have 3 income streams in just a few hours. And look at individual situations and create personalized plans to maximize your potential of earning passive income. The class is tailored to fit your schedule and is self-paced to suit your learning style. If you sign up for the free training, I have a special bonus for you. My free ebook. It provides a comprehensive guide on generating passive income. It further delves into the strategies we've discussed and a whole host of other profitable methods that you can tap into today. To get your copy, simply check out the link in the description below and begin your journey towards financial freedom. Remember, the beauty of passive income is that it continues to flow in, reducing your reliance on your regular job and allowing you greater flexibility and peace of mind. So, why wait? Start today and transform your financial future.
I hope you enjoyed that video. It was informative, it offered a unique way for making money, and it gave actionable steps to do it. You know, this is what everyone is looking for. A practical guide telling you how to make money from a subject matter expert like an author. The information in the video is great and anyone can make money from it. But that is not my mind-blowing guaranteed method for passive income. My guaranteed way for turnkey passive income is this. You selling information products to people who are interested in ways of making money, such as someone who would click on this video. For example, I wrote the book on this subject. I sell that book. I've also taken that content and made it into an online course, and I sell that course. So each book and course passive income stream makes me from $1,000 a month to $18,000 per month. And it only takes a few hours to set up. And you can create as many book course income streams as you wish. So subscribe now and click the course link in the description below. And then you can learn about the courses. And I'll also send you my ebook on this subject. So it's really a workshop and it's free. And there's 3 courses in it. I will teach you how to be a subject matter expert in this field or any field. I will also tell you how to create your own unique, valuable insights and solutions. And I will also teach you how to establish yourself as an author in the subject. So you can complete this workshop in less than 2 hours. And we'll at the end have created the expert content that you need for me to, with my templates and automation, create for you your own book that you can start selling. And I will give you that book for free. Then there's another class, and that's a class on marketing your book. And marketing your book is going to go to Amazon, and you learn YouTube as a marketing engine, and I'll also do email campaigns for free for you. The class costs $5, and once you complete that class, which is another hour and a half, then you have your book. It's out there and it's being marketed. So click on the course link below, and I will send you the information about the courses, and you can get started. This is the time to unlock your way to passive income today to achieve financial freedom. Take advantage of this unique but practical money-making opportunity to have multiple passive income streams. Learn from me, because I've helped thousands of people to be successful with this, and I have refined the processes over the years. And you don't want to miss out on this. If you miss this opportunity, this proven way to make from $1,000 to $18,000 per month with just a few hours of setup, you're going to miss out on what you really want. Imagine, if you act now, you could have your first passive income by tomorrow or by the weekend. And eventually, multiple streams of income flowing into your bank account effortlessly. And that'll give you the financial independence that you need to live free and live life on your own terms. So don't just dream about success. Make it a reality. You can succeed. I guarantee it. Click on the class link now.